In the last video, we configured Firebase project for our invoice maker app. Now, in this video, we will check how we integrate in our project like Firebase. First of all, you need to import our Firebase core package. Copy the Firebase code and run command flutter pub add. This will install the package. The other thing you can do, just copy the name and go to pub spec YAML file and here paste. You can see here we use by command. So now you need to check your Firebase which account is login. You can check Firebase login. So here is my another account is login, but I want to change this, so you need to log out first as this is another account. So Firebase logout. Firebase login again. So you need to yes, and this will redirect to your Google page, and you need to sign with this email. This is a client project, so I am using their email as a Firebase. So you need to allow this. No, these Firebase account project will come in my command lines. Also, one thing you need to do, you need to activate FlutterFire CLI globally. You can run the command .hub global activate FlutterFire CLI. After this, you need to it's a spelling mistake, just correct it. That's why I mostly suggest that copy the package name from pub.tab, which will not make any issues. No, you need to configure your project, configure your app with Firebase. For this, you need to run command FlutterFire configure. You need to run this command every time when you like. In the last video we just configure our Firebase for an Android app. If you want to configure for iOS, then you need to run FlutterFire configure command again. Here now you can select which project you wanted to connect with this app. Now as we created invoice maker for this project, so you can select and we configure for the app, so I can only go for app. by space you can unselect the other. So I am for now just going with Android. You can run the same command again and select for iOS and then go for again. For this before doing this command you need to set up Firebase. For you just need to add and go for iOS and the same, but for now I am not going this. So after this command you need to go to, so this command, what this command did. So this command download a file called Firebase options, where your Firebase project IDs, keys and other related Android IDs. Our Android ID is this. So these are these are get by this command, and this is here in your project. Now we will access these in our main file. So our app, when our app run, so it will connect to the Firebase. For this you need to add a wait, as it will wait for Firebase dot initialize, and here you need to give option parameter and a default Firebase options, and you need for dot current variant. So what this will do, this will go to your dot Firebase option, which we did download the file. This will go and check what our current platform like iOS, Android or web. Not for web. For web we add a script file in our index.file, which is in our web folder. If you wanted those configuration, you can tell me, I can make a video on this one too. So after this your app is done. Now you can, like, this is all for connecting app with Firebase. Now you can run Flutter run command, which will run the